Hey guys! Today we are doing something a little bit different. I've been obsessed with ASMR lately, and I am super excited for this video because I am doing some ASMR clay stuff, and I'm really excited for this video. So I'm gonna lower the camera and let's get on. So I lowered the camera, and here are all the clays that we will be doing today. So I'm going to start off with this one. It's a super pretty color. So let's do this. So this one is super pretty and super soft and really cool. And I really like it. And at the end, I'm going to combine all of them to make a great big slime. Let's get on with the next one. The next one, I'm going to do this one, which is like a peachy color. So let's do it. So this one didn't pop as much, but it's still good. So yeah. So let's get on with the next one. The next one, I'm doing this one, and this should be a pretty good pop. This one, the last one didn't make that big of a pop, but it still popped a little bit. But this one, I'm pretty confident. So let's get on with this one. So here's this one. This one's really nice. This one's just so cool, and it's such a pretty color, and I really love it. So next, I'm going to let's do this one. This one's like a mint green, and it's super pretty and cute. So I'm just gonna pop it. So there's this one, which is super satisfying. I really like it, and it's super soft and like lotion slime. So the next one, I'm gonna do this one, which is like it's like a lemon lime yellow, and it's super pretty. So there's this one. It's like a lime green, or a lemon yellow, and it's super pretty, and I really like this one. So next one, I'm doing this one. I'm not a fan of this color. It's kind of like brown. I don't really like this color, but it seems like a pretty good one. So this one is like a golden almost. It's such a deep, it's such a light brown. And it looks much more deeper on off camera, and it's just not my favorite color. So next we have this orange. This one's way prettier than the brown, so I'm just gonna pop it. So next we have this white. It's like a whitish, purplish. I don't really know, but it's super pretty and I like it. So there's this one. And this is our last one. It's like a bluish gray and it's super pretty. So it's very this one was a little bit stringy, but it's still a good slide. So now, here are all of the ones we did today. And now I'm going to gather them all into one big thing. So I'm gonna just gather them together and make them into one big slime. I gathered up all of the wrappers that I used, and I'm just going to crunch them. And then I made this giant slime out of all the other ones that we did. So yeah, that was the video. So I made it into this one giant slime, and it's really satisfying, and I really enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are new to my channel or you haven't already, please subscribe and hit the like button for more videos. I hope you guys like this video, and also hit the bell button to get notified when I post new videos, or just come back every Saturday for a new video. Bye!